Welcome to LITBLINDS Store YouTube channel. Get 50% off an order online with free shipping. Stunning and creative 3D PVC vinyl floor design. www.litblinds.store 3D flooring design represents a revolutionary approach to interior decor, seamlessly blending artistry with functionality to create captivating and immersive spaces. This cutting-edge design technique transforms conventional flooring into visually stunning and dynamic masterpieces that redefine the aesthetic boundaries of interior spaces. Utilizing advanced printing technology, 3D flooring designs bring depth, texture, and lifelike imagery to floors, captivating the senses and creating a unique visual experience. Whether mimicking the illusion of a serene ocean floor, a lush meadow, or an intricate mosaic, 3D flooring designs offer an unparalleled level of customization, allowing homeowners and designers to unleash their creativity and manifest their artistic visions. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, 3D flooring is also durable, easy to clean, and resistant to wear, making it a practical choice for both residential and commercial spaces. The versatility of 3D flooring extends beyond traditional applications, finding its way into various settings such as homes, offices, retail spaces, and even recreational areas. The magic of 3D flooring design lies in its ability to transport inhabitants to alternate realms, fostering a sense of escapism within the confines of their own homes. This design concept is not confined to mere illusion, it is an immersive experience that stimulates the imagination and creates a narrative within the living space. The versatility of 3D flooring allows for the creation of bespoke designs tailored to individual tastes and preferences, transcending the limitations of traditional flooring options. From vibrant and abstract patterns to realistic depictions of natural landscapes, the possibilities are virtually limitless. Imagine stepping onto a floor that replicates the intricate details of a bustling cityscape or walking through a forest with every step. These are the extraordinary visual encounters that 3D flooring design makes possible. The tactile and visual depth achieved through this technique transforms floors into dynamic canvases, breathing life into the very foundation of interior spaces. Moreover, 3D flooring provides an element of surprise, turning an ordinary room into an extraordinary one, where every glance downward becomes a journey of discovery. Delving deeper into the technical aspects of 3D flooring design, the process involves the application of high-quality epoxy resin that not only serves as a protective layer but also contributes to the creation of a three-dimensional effect. This resin is meticulously poured and manipulated to achieve the desired texture and depth, ensuring a flawless and realistic representation of the chosen design. The durability of epoxy resin not only enhances the longevity of the floor but also provides a glossy finish, adding a touch of sophistication to the overall aesthetic. The meticulous craftsmanship involved in the installation of 3D flooring speaks to the dedication to detail and precision required to achieve the desired visual impact. Furthermore, the seamless nature of 3D flooring eliminates the need for grout lines or seams, resulting in a smooth and uninterrupted surface that enhances the illusion of depth and continuity. Maintenance is simplified, as these floors can be easily cleaned, adding to the practicality of this innovative design solution. Beyond its aesthetic allure and technical intricacies, 3D flooring design serves as a sustainable and eco-friendly alternative in the realm of interior decor. The materials used in the creation of these floors are often chosen for their low environmental impact, aligning with the growing global consciousness towards sustainable living. Additionally, the longevity and resilience of 3D flooring contribute to a reduction in the frequency of replacements, minimizing waste and the environmental footprint associated with traditional flooring options. The versatility of 3D flooring extends to its application in various settings, from residential homes to commercial spaces and public areas. It has found popularity in retail environments, where it serves as a powerful tool for creating memorable and immersive brand experiences. In entertainment venues and recreational spaces, 3D flooring adds an extra layer of excitement, transforming floors into dynamic canvases that complement the overall ambience. Furthermore, the adaptability of 3D flooring allows for its integration with other design elements, such as lighting and furniture, creating a holistic and harmonious interior environment. The interplay of light and shadow on the textured surfaces of 3D floors enhances the overall visual impact, creating a dynamic and ever-changing atmosphere within the space. In conclusion, 3D flooring design is not just a trend but a transformative force in the world of interior design, offering a harmonious blend of artistic expression, functionality, and sustainability. As technology continues to advance, the possibilities for creating mesmerizing and sustainable living and working environments through 3D flooring are boundless, promising an exciting future for those who seek to push the boundaries of conventional design. Moreover, the installation of 3D flooring can be tailored to meet specific themes or narratives within a space, allowing for a highly personalized and bespoke design approach. This level of customization enables individuals to express their personalities and preferences, turning their living spaces into unique reflections of their identity. Whether it's creating a tranquil underwater sanctuary in a bathroom, a cosmic adventure in a child's playroom, or a sophisticated urban landscape in a modern living room, the adaptability of 3D flooring ensures that the design possibilities align seamlessly with the vision of the inhabitants. The practical benefits of 3D flooring extend beyond aesthetics and sustainability. The seamless and non-porous nature of the flooring makes it resistant to moisture, mold, and bacteria, making it an ideal choice for spaces like kitchens and bathrooms where hygiene is paramount. The easy-to-clean surface simplifies maintenance, offering a hygienic and allergy-friendly flooring solution. Furthermore, 3D flooring has proven to be a conversation starter and a focal point in interior design. It elicits awe and curiosity, sparking conversations among visitors and inhabitants alike. This transformative aspect not only enriches the living experience but also fosters a sense of connection to the space, turning it into more than just a physical environment but a canvas for personal stories and experiences. In essence, 3D flooring design transcends the boundaries of conventional flooring, offering a multidimensional and immersive experience that goes beyond mere functionality. It is a testament to the ever-evolving nature of design, where innovation meets artistry to redefine the way we perceive and interact with our living spaces. As a dynamic and versatile design trend, 3D flooring continues to shape the future of interior design, promising a journey of discovery and creativity for those who dare to step into its visually enchanting realm. Furthermore, the 3D flooring trend is not confined to residential spaces alone, it has found its way into commercial and public environments, adding an extra layer of intrigue and sophistication to various settings. In retail spaces, 3D flooring becomes a powerful tool for enhancing the overall shopping experience, creating immersive atmospheres that resonate with customers and encourage longer stays. The visual impact of a well-designed 3D floor can leave a lasting impression, influencing consumer perceptions and elevating the brand image. In educational institutions, 3D flooring can be employed to stimulate creativity and engagement, turning ordinary hallways or common areas into vibrant and inspiring spaces for learning. The dynamic nature of these floors provides an innovative approach to environmental design, fostering an atmosphere conducive to productivity and imagination.
LITBLINDS required professionals for blinds installation. Contact us for Become Our Partner. Order online or free shipping. LITBLINDS work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and Dubai. LITBLINDS provide free shipping and get 50% off in each countries. Order quickly to save your amount. Contact US Canada 514-826-5278 and USA 254-708-6262. Or email islitblinds@gmail.com. LITBLINDS.store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds at everywhere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, comments, and share.